Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today it is what's sold on eBay for the week of July 11th through the 17th. So I've been doing kind of an experiment lately. I have been cross-posting to 4 different platforms. It was Facebook, Depop, Poshmark, and Mercari. I've been cross-posting every single day. In the last 5 days, I've cross-posted over 300 items. So, been cross-posting like crazy. So far, I've only had 5 sales: 2 on Poshmark, 1 on Mercari, 1 on Facebook, and 1 on Depop. So they're all kind of even right now. But I'm doing a little experiment just to find out if it's actually worth my time cross-posting. Will these platforms start picking up if I start working on them every single day? Is it worth, like I said, is it worth my time? Anyways, I use Resellkit. If you want to use that link down below, you'll get an extra 50 listings if you want to try Resellkit. But if you want to just do this with me, I mean, you can use List Perfectly. You can use any other software that you like to use, and come along for the ride. Let me know in the comments if you want to join me and what your results are every week. I'm going to be, every what sold video I will update you, and I will be doing small little updates on Facebook or Instagram. If you follow me there, I'll be doing little updates every once in a while there. But anyways, let's get into the video, and I will show you what's sold this week. Alright, so the report for January, I'm going back in time, July 11th through July 17th, total sales of $2,830.87, which was 27.1% up from last week. So, hopefully, things are looking up. We'll see. Selling costs of $572.12, net sales of $2,068.21. I sold 79 items this week, so not too bad there, and an average sale price of $35.83. Alright, so we will hit all the collectibles, and then we'll hit a bunch of plush at the end. Let's get on with it. The first one is a Star Wars Action Collection Jawa. His eyes actually light up, which is super cool. Unfortunately, the batteries are died, so I couldn't light them up for you. They died a long time ago. This is an older figure, and the only way to replace them were to open the box, and it was brand new, so I didn't want to do that. But anyways, he sold for $28.89. So keep your eyes out for this creepy looking guy. Look at that guy. Alright, what's next? The next one, this is Lars Umlaut. This is a blonde variant. I don't know what that meant. I had no idea. But yeah, that's the way someone else listed it. I didn't really know what this guy was. He was from Guitar Hero, which is a video game character, so I just followed his listing. I hope I didn't get it wrong, but anyways, it sold for $18.69. New Batman Adventures. I've talked about this before. These guys can go for super good money, these new Batman Adventure ones. This one didn't go for as much as the other ones have gone for. They've gone for over $100, a few of the figures that I've sold of these guys. But this one sold for $23.79. And yeah, just keep your eye out for the new Batman Adventures, because few of the figures can go for some good money. Hot Wheels 35th anniversary. Talked about Hot Wheels in the past. They can range in price like crazy, from pennies to hundreds of dollars. And this is just a little metal set that I got from my toy guy. If you don't know my toy guy videos, I'll link one at the end of this video. But yeah, I get a ton of these toys for pennies on the dollar, and they sell for good money. This little set sold for $59.49. DC Direct Batman Hush. Actually, this one came back to me. It was a return. The person did not see. I put you can see how it's like bent right here. I put photos of it. I put photos of how it's like a little bit. You can see the colors like missing right here in the corner. But he claimed that I sent him a damaged figure, so I just said send it back, and I just resold it. So it resold for $29.74. I added a couple dollars because I had to pay for the return because he claimed not as described, but it was as described because the pictures were there. But anyways, you have to deal with things like that on eBay sometimes. DC Direct, Young Justice Captain Atom figure. It's just, yeah, he's a small figure. He's about like this, so even keep your eyes open for the smaller figures, as they can sell for some good money. This one sold for $25.49. Next one. Oh, this person bought all these figures. I guess it's a huge fan of Spawn. They bought this She-Spawn for $25.49. They bought this one over here. This is a Tiffany. You can see Tiffany the Amazon. Whoops, didn't mean to click that. And this one over here. This is Dark Ages. Another Spawn figure. He just bought a bunch of girls. I don't know if it's a he or she. But it's 4 total figures, and this one right here. This one's really nice. You can see the nice packaging and the way the figure, the quality on the figure is really nice. But anyways, he spent over $100 on all 4 of those figures, so really nice sale on that, and he even asked for a discount. So the next one is just a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It's just a tiny little car. It is super small. It looks bigger, well here, but it's just a super small. It's about maybe 2.5 inches, I'm guessing, and it's just a Leonardo on a bike. He sold for $16.99. This one's crazy. Look at the face on this monster. This one was a goblin figure from HB2 or Hobgoblin 2, I guess. This guy, oh my god, he did so many offers. Well, so many people did a lot of offers on this one. I must have had 20 different offers on this. Nobody wanted to pay full price, but finally someone did, thankfully, because I was sick of the offers on this one. It was like every day I'd get like 2-3 offers on this one, and nobody would pay full price. Finally someone did. They paid $50.99. But yeah, I was not going to go much lower on this figure because this is really cool. He's like a goblin, half goblin body on like it's like a moving wheel, and it has a whole bunch of different pieces to it. Alright, Yellow Jacket Classic Edition. This is a mini Marvel bust. Talked about the Bowen figures in the past. Even if the boxes are damaged, or even if they're out of the box, they go for some good money, or they can go for some good money. A lot of them are limited edition. You can see this one is 2,095 out of the 4,000. So a lot of people are looking for them because they are limited edition. This one sold for $45.04. Hot Wheels Batgirl Batcycle. There's a Batmobile in there and something else. There's a Batgirl and Cycle. You can see it's like a purple thing. There's the Batmobile with the red like pinstriping on it. And then there's a Batcycle with Batcar. So 3 different little tiny cars in a set. This one went for an amazing price of $127.49. Like I said, cars always amaze me when they sell because they're so small, but they lead to good money. Alright, we are on to the plush. The first plush, this is a Blue's Clues Lovey. You can see his little Blue's Clues face, and there's little paw prints all over the Lovey. Wasn't that big. What was it? 10 by 10 or 9 by 9. You see there? Yeah, it's about 9.5 by 9.5. I got it wrong. It was in the middle of both of them. Anyways, it sold for $18.69. Next one. This is Ultimate Spider-Man. This is a large monster plush. Yeah, I put Jumbo Pillow in it because it can be like a hug pillow and everything else. He sold for $29.74. I actually have him repaired over here because his foot was damaged. Has a little bit of looked like a string was pulled, so I put the what is it? The fabric fusion on it and just clipped it shut. It'll seal nicely and it'll look great. Next one. Dakin Garfield with Pookie the night before Christmas. You see he's holding the little Pookie bear. He has little bunny slippers on him. Surprised this one didn't sell faster. This one's been in my store for about 6 months. And I've talked about Garfield lately. They've been flying out the door. So surprised he didn't sell a lot sooner. He's about 6 inches and he's an old Dakin. Been around for a while. Anyways, he sold for $28.89. Looney Tunes Tweety Bird. I've had this in my store for probably a good 7 years. He's been hanging around a long time. I probably should have taken him down and redid the pictures. Look at how ugly the picture is. It has a nasty wooden ruler next to him and the terrible background where it's like light over here and dark over here. Yeah, my camera work was terrible 7 years ago. It was bad. It was a nice Mighty Star, and Mighty Star is a very good brand. Keep your eye out. This would probably go for a good $25 now if I would have fixed the pictures and everything, but hey, it's gone. I'm glad to get it out of my hair. It sold for $14.44 on sale. The next one is a Bonkers Muse mystery cat. Has a little donut on his head. He's a funny little pink cat with an orange body. He's pink and orange. He's cute. He sold pretty much overnight when I listed him, so I don't know if I had listed him too low, but yeah, he sold super fast. He sold for $27.19, so keep your eye out for Afamau Muse. That is a mouthful. Gun Pushing Dinosaur. This is a blue dinosaur dino cat. You know, I've talked about Pushins in the past. Pushins sell very well, and a lot of them can sell for some good money. Got a bunch of these. I believe I bought them at Target or Walmart. They were super clearance, so I bought a bunch of them. You can see I already sold 5 of them. They're selling for $33.14. I don't remember what I paid for, but I know it was under $5, so it was super inexpensive. Winnie the Pooh Rabbit. As soon as I listed this one sold right away. Pretty shocked because Winnie the Pooh is so oversaturated. Maybe because it has the authentic patch on his foot right here. A lot of Disney collectors or anybody looking for Disney plush will look for the authentic patch. I make sure to make a little note of it. But anyways, he sold right away for $25.49. Another lovey sold. This is a baby starters monkey with blue and white polka dots on it. You see it has the little tags right there, and it's just a funny little brown little monkey with dots on it. It was about 16 inches, so it's bigger than the normal loveys. It sold for $18.69. Best ever funny feet. These go up and down. This one has been in my store for about 2 years, but I've sold other ones. I don't remember which kinds I sold, but they sold for a lot more money, around $50, $40 to $50, and they sold a lot faster. This line, well, I comped it and it didn't comp very well, so I just listed it for $18.99, and they even got a sale on it for $16.14. That's what it finally went out for. But anyways, these guys can go for some decent money. Well, some, not all of them, as you can see. Fiesta Brown Sea Otter with the baby. This one sold as soon as I listed it, within maybe like 2-3 days of when I listed it. It's just a little Fiesta Sea Otter. Fiesta, it's an okay brand, not a great brand, but it's holding its baby. The ones that have the hold the shell, and then they hold it's like a starfish. Those sell pretty well too, so keep your eye out for those. He sold for $21.24. Last one. This is blue, yellow, red frog. Has really cool eyes. Been in my store for a good 4 or 5 years, so he's been around for a little while, but I knew he'd sell eventually because he has really nice colors on him. He wound up selling for $15.29. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. If you want to start cross-posting with me, you can go down on my link below, start with Resellkit, or just go with List Perfectly, and list along with me and comment how you're doing. Yeah, let's do this together. Take care. Bye.